Welcome to the Conservation Delivery Streamlining Initiative's Conservation Desktop. Conservation Desktop is among a suite of innovative systems and business processes and tools designed to enhance customer experiences. Desktop's automated, modern information system helps field conservationists assist American farmers and ranchers efficiently and effectively address conservation needs and implement land management requests. Conservation Desktop is essentially a one-stop shop system integrating and managing conservation and financial programs used across USDA service centers and enabling field staff to provide responsive and consistent customer experiences. Conservation Desktop is the field conservationist's go-to everyday tool to deliver the mission of the agency. Positive national user feedback confirms that Desktop offers cost and time savings. Desktop replaces needing to access multiple systems and gives field conservationists fingertip access to view and manage a customer's conservation file in just a few minutes versus hours. Conservation Desktop results in field conservationists spending more time working side by side with agencies, customers, and less time in the office behind the computer. Let's briefly look at Desktop's user-friendly single-system platform that provides conservationists streamlined access to technical and financial assistance functions that save conservationists up to 50% of their time compared to the current tools. From the technical assistance perspective, Conservation Desktop offers field conservationists several land mapping features, including national geospatial data that enables them to find and review detailed road, easement, and water boundaries, to name a few data sets. These data sets are only available in Conservation Desktop and are always at the conservationist's fingertips. Another significant feature is Desktop's ability to incorporate common land unit information from the Farm Service Agency. Through a sharing agreement with FSA, all NRCS field offices can access current land data that provides a baseline for most NRCS conservation planning. For example, when a customer requests assistance on their land, field staff can quickly assist a customer by locating the land from the Common Land Unit data layer by using Desktop's Find tool. Simply type in the tract, select the COU layer, and select Locate. Desktop will quickly locate and find the tract requested by the customer within seconds. The legacy system has no search capabilities, and therefore field staff must find other means of locating customer land to provide assistance. Once the client's land is found, the planner can quickly search and open the client's case file by typing in the tract number and selecting Search. This integration allows field staff to make updates to the conservation plan, financial assistance agreements, upload new documents, as well as complete assigned tasks. Under the legacy systems, this process could take anywhere from 10 minutes to 2 hours by logging in and out of multiple systems or by checking data out from a local server. With Conservation Desktop, as you can see, the file opens within minutes and displays a table of contents showing information about the landowner's background, case file, conservation plan, and existing NRCS agreement. Next, the client option shows integrated client information from the Farm Service Agency. Here, conservationists can quickly find contact information as well as add applications, including Farm Bill related activity. Within the case file, field conservationists will use the Planning Land Unit Editor to import land that is bought or rented by the producer. The land is used to create plans for assessing resource concerns, as well as determining ranking for financial assistance applications. If a producer sells land, this is also where land is transferred to a new producer. Within the practice schedule, this allows conservationists to apply conservation practices, which generate quicker producer payments, as well as approve conservation plans signed by landowners from Conservation Client Gateway. Additional time-saving features will allow field staff to create and edit conservation practices, develop and electronically sign plans, generate plan maps, and enter technical assistance request. Now let's look at the Conservation Desktop's financial assistance features next. Conservation Desktop has streamlined the agreement process by incorporating access to companion programs and tracking features. First, field staff can navigate the table of contents to select the agreement number and choose from several options which allow immediate access to the customer contract. Conservationists can certify practices for payment, manage agreement information, as well as send letters directly to the customer. Field staff can also create and assign tasks from the Conservation Desktop Task Management System. The Task Management System is integrated with companion financial and conservation tools. The task list offers several functions that enable conservationists to view and assign current tasks, review archive tasks, as well as track the agreement process. A final feature of Conservation Desktop is the document management system. Since Desktop incorporates access to companion financial and conservation programs like Conservation Client Gateway, field staff can easily view and manage landowner documents, such as the agreement documents that we can see here, such as lease agreements, obligation checklist, schedule of operations, and look at things like the conservation plan or plan map. As demonstrated, Conservation Desktop provides several time-saving features that enable field staff to respond efficiently and accurately to landowner requests. The Conservation Delivery Streamlining Initiatives team conducted an evaluation of Conservation Desktop national training. More than 80% of the 225 participants indicated they would voluntarily use the system instead of multiple current tools. Conservation Desktop strives to decrease office-bound processes for field conservationists and enables boots on the ground to spend more one-on-one time with customers. Overall feedback has been extremely positive, with users feeling that Desktop's user-friendly, streamlined approach is a huge win for field conservationists and customers. Stay tuned for additional Conservation Desktop enhancements.